Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Farmers Africa. One of the most important factors in successful rabbit farming is proper feeding. Many new rabbit farmers ask the same question. What exactly do rabbits eat? Feeding your rabbit correctly can help them grow faster, stay healthy, reproduce well, and increase your profit. In today's video, we will discuss everything beginners need to know about feeding rabbits, including the best foods, feeding tips, and common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. First of all, why proper feeding matters. Just like any other livestock, rabbits need a balanced diet to stay healthy and reproductive. Poor feeding can lead to slow growth, poor reproduction, diseases, and even death. Good nutrition is one of the foundations of successful rabbit farming business. So here you can ask you, what do rabbits naturally eat? I ask myself and you can ask yourself, what do you think rabbits naturally eat? Here is the response. Rabbits are herbivorous, which means they eat plant-based food. In nature, rabbits feed on grasses, leaves, herbs, and other vegetation. As farmers, our goal is to provide a diet that meets their nutritional needs while supporting healthy growth and reproduction. Let's go to grasses. Grasses are the most important rabbit feeds. Grasses are one of the best and most affordable feeds for rabbit. Many farmers can use different types of fresh grasses available in their local areas so that they can provide that feed to their rabbits. And also grasses provide a high quantity of fibers, which is essential for good digestion. However, avoiding feeding wet grasses immediately after rain, as it may cause digestive problems. Always allow freshly cut grasses to dry sunlight before feeding it to your rabbits. Number 2, hay. It is an excellent source of fibers. Hay is another important feed for rabbit. It helps to maintain healthy digestion and keeps rabbit occupied throughout the day. Hay also can be especially useful during dry season when fresh grasses is less available. Number 3, leaf vegetables. Rabbits can also eat various leaf vegetables. For example, it includes sweet potato leaves, carrot tops, pumpkin leaves, cabbage leaves in moderation, and other safe leaf green available in your area. Leaves vegetables provide huge vitamins and nutrients that support rabbit health. Number 4, we have also commercial rabbit feed. Many farmers use commercial rabbit pellets to provide balanced diet. Quality rabbit pellets contain important nutrients that support growth, breeding, and overall health. If commercial feed is available and affordable, it can be valuable additional to your feeding program. The most important part is about clean water. One of the most overlooked aspects of rabbit feeding is water. Most of the new farmers, they don't know, they don't believe that rabbit can drink water. They don't believe, but rabbit, they like water, and it is an important content in your feeding, in your daily feeding. Rabbits need access to clean water, fresh drinking water every day. Without enough water, rabbits can become stressed, sick, and less productive. Always check water containers regularly and keep clean them. So here we have food to avoid. I cannot leave you without telling you that, because most of the farmers, they can do this mistake. Not all foods are suitable for rabbits. Avoiding feeding spoiled feed, moldy grasses, rotten vegetables. Sudden changes in diet can also upset a rabbit's digestive system. Whenever introducing a new feed, do so gradually. This is an important advice. When you are introducing a new feed, you have to do it gradually, not as quick as possible, but small. You give it small by small. Yeah. So how do you feed young rabbits? Young rabbits have different nutritional needs compared to adult rabbits. As they grow, they require good quality feed, clean water, and proper care. Providing balanced nutrition during the early stages helps them develop into a healthy and reproductive adults. So here are some common mistakes that most of the farmers do. Many beginners make feeding mistakes that affect rabbit performance. Some common mistakes include overfeeding, providing dirty water, feeding spoiled feeds, making sudden diet change, and failing to provide enough fibers. By avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve rabbit health and reproduction. Simple feeding tips for beginners. So you have to see this one. Feeding rabbit constantly each day, at least 2 times per day or 3. Provide a combination of grass, hay, leaf greens, and quality feed when possible. Keep feeding area clean and always provide fresh drinking water, so that you can also observe your rabbit regularly to ensure they are eating normally. Dear friends, I think you have get some knowledge about how you can feed your rabbit, and here are some just few tips of advice. So proper feeding is one of the most important skills every rabbit farmer should learn. The other one is a balanced diet, clean water, and good feeding practices help rabbit growth faster, stay healthy, and reproductive successfully. By understanding what rabbits eat and avoiding common feeding mistakes, you can build a stronger and more profitable rabbit farming business. So in the next videos, we will see step by step and the importance of each feed. We will see what types of leaves, vegetables, or hay, or other greens that can feed your rabbit, like Chloris guyana, like other leaves, other greens such as mukuna, like also Supanapia pak chong. We will see everything in the next video. So stay tuned. Make subscription and also like and share to others so that they can get some skills about rabbit farming business. Thank you for watching the Smart Farmers Africa. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more rabbit farming tips, practical farming guides and agriculture opportunities across Africa. Don't forget that we have a full guidance for rabbit farming project. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stay together.